When you're hungry, your brain sends hormone-like signals to your digestive system. These signals cause the muscles in your stomach and intestines to contract, making those familiar growling noises. Receptors in your stomach sense when it's empty, triggering waves of electrical activity called migrating myoelectric complexes, or MMCs. These MMCs sweep through your stomach and intestines, clearing out leftover food, mucus, and bacteria. These contractions also produce vibrations, creating that rumbling sound we associate with hunger. These hunger contractions can last 10 to 20 minutes and repeat every 1 to 2 hours until you eat. If the sounds come with pain or other issues, don't hesitate to call your doctor. Stay curious.